Another thing that gets in the way of sort of a smooth schedule is that we're one house. And so if we order drywall, they're going to put us down at the bottom of the list, you know. Yeah. They're going to go out and edge homes, or they're going to go deliver to the big guys. So when we have an order out, sometimes we get sort of ignored, I guess. We also build small houses, and so we're not building. We don't buy in quantity. We don't pre-order and pre-buy. We buy per house, and so that's another thing with our ordering, is that it's not bulk. So they're like, oh great, you need 6 doors, and these other houses need 50 doors. So that's kind of something that we kind of struggle with. What are some other things? Mostly waiting for supplies. That's like And
that could be the case on any job, but I can imagine.
Also, our subcontractors, some of them are donating their labor, so they fit us in. They fit us in between different jobs. And so let's say the electrician, he's donating all of the labor. So if we say, hey, we're ready for you, he might say, I've got a job for a week and I can't come for a week. So that's something that we are so appreciative of their donation. But sometimes we're held up by that. In fact, we don't typically do, for instance, this is one that just happened last summer. We had somebody come to us and say they wanted to donate granite countertops, which is really nice, right?
Yeah.
We're going to do the granite countertops. Well, when we were ready for the granite countertops, they couldn't get it. They couldn't get them there. So we're waiting to do the ribbon cutting, and we actually had to put the family up in a hotel for a week.
Really? So it puts you back. Okay.
So we did the ribbon cutting, and we still have countertops on the ribbon cutting. So that's just an example of processes that fall through. I think with Habitat, though, which is different than probably some other build sites, is that we have volunteers that show up, and they have various skills. And so we don't know how much we're going to accomplish in a day, because we don't know how fast we're going to go.
Hard to schedule.
It's really hard to schedule. Because volunteers might get us ahead, we might get behind. We might not have the materials because we've gotten ahead. So then it's just it's a couple steps forward, a couple steps back. It's constant. So that's something that we struggle with as a nonprofit using volunteer labor.
By incorporating integrated project design methods, we believe that they can get more established designs with the owner, less time waiting for supplies, and also help resolve scheduling conflicts. Looking at the chart, we can see IPD, or design build, going against traditional design bid build methods as well as the construction manager risk method. For now, we'll just focus on the design bid build method because it is the most commonly used. We can see that the unit cost is over 6% lower, the speed of construction is over 12% faster, delivery speed is over 33% faster, cost growth decreases 5%, and scheduling growth is 12% less. As you can see on the chart, this all relates back to the issues that we found on this job site. By taking the time to sit down with the owner and other subcontractors, you can eliminate these costs before they become a problem.